Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Darceline, or you can call me Darcy for short. Okay, so today I am filming my go-to everyday makeup, which is a very simple, natural look. If you guys like the way this looks, stick around and let's get right into the video. Okay, hi everyone. So voiceover me here. So after watching this video, I realized I really didn't like the way that the whole talking was, so I decided to do voiceover instead. So right now I'm basically applying primer, which is the NYX primer. It's called the NYX Shine Killer. And I use this one because I really have an oily skin, especially around my T-zone. So I like to apply primer in those parts. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. This is me talking and applying the primer. My skin looks so good on this video, honestly. Like, I don't know. Anyways, the next product that I'm adding is the Maybelline foundation. It's called the Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is me applying it with the sponge right now. But I'm gonna remove it later and use a brush instead because, well, I'm not so great at applying with sponges, and I prefer brushes. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, come on, hurry it up. Okay, so the next product that I will be using is another Maybelline product. It's the Maybelline concealer, and I think I have that in the color Cafe number 30. So basically I'm just applying it under my eyes right now to kind of create this glow or a live effect under my eyes. Okay, so in this next step, I will be filling in my eyebrows, and I am using the Maybelline Total Temptation Pencil Definer Eyebrow. I've been using this eyebrow pencil for, I think, a few years now. Not this exact one, but I just keep going and buying more and more of it because I think it's the easiest way to do your eyebrows, and any basic makeup beginner person can do it. Okay, so I'm pretty much going and filling my eyebrows, and basically you just draw the line at the base of your eyebrows, draw one on top, and then kind of fill them in and try to go with the shape of your eyebrows. Okay, so we're pretty much filling in my eyebrows, and after this part right here, I'm gonna go back to live and I'm gonna end the voiceover because I think after this part it gets better with the live conversation and I was no longer on the phone, so that's that. I'm also not doing any lashes because it's a lot of work to add on lashes and I just don't want to. So let's move on to the next step, which will be, I'm gonna try this powder, translucent powder that I got from my Sephora makeup box. So we're going to apply a very small amount under my eyes because I don't want to fuck it up. We're gonna brush this away because I don't want it on my skin anymore. Okay, that's really the only answer I got for you. I'm not sure it did anything, to be honest. Yo, if this video comes out blurry, you guys are watching it. I'm so sorry to tell you this. Well, you don't have to watch it, but I'll still post it. I'm gonna go over with a little bit of contour, like a very, very small amount. And this is usually all that I do for my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Wait, I gotta do that thing that, you know, people do.